Hey, it's Ronan. I wanted to show you the office hours page redesign and how it makes it easier to find the information that you're looking for. If you don't know, office hours is a live Zoom session that we've been doing for the last half a year, where you, students from around the world, come and we meet once a week for an hour, and you guys ask questions and I give instruction, and it's not just me you're learning from each other. You're sharing your wins, the things you're working on, etc. Let me show you what it looks like. So from your dashboard, you click office hours. If you would like to attend office hours, every Wednesday there's a live bar that shows up, and also here you can register for the actual office hours. This is included in your membership. But for now, let's go to the office hours page. So if you are an Accordion Love student, you'll see the register button. You could register. Let me show you the redesign though. What we have here are the archives. We have recordings from every single office hours that has existed. Now, it's tough. You're not going to watch 20 hours of office hours replays. You can, but really if I'm working on a technique, if I'm working on my chord voicings, and I've just watched the lesson, but I need some guidance, you can message me 100%. Something that I encourage you to do is to use this search. So we could do chord voicing. And what you see is that it found 5 topics across 3 sessions. Not just that, you see that on June 10th, last week, 3 people spoke about chord voicings. April 29th, learning jazz voicings on accordion. On January 14th, blues voicings. That's what I want. I click the timestamp. And there we go. We have John speaking about chord voicings on the blues. How cool. This is, you can also browse, we can clear this and just go through these, entire timestamps. Also, we can go through specific topics. So relating to practice, can we speak about fingering? Yep. There we go. Beer barrel polka, speed, fingering, and practice. It's all right there, much more searchable. The idea is you're not just learning from me. You're hearing Anna speak about it. You're hearing Rika. You're hearing Susan. You're hearing Scott speak about how they go about their practice, their fingering, etc. This is all included with your membership. I encourage you to attend live, and if not, you could watch the replays. Check it out. Thank you.